Hello children, how are you all? Yeah, I hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? Yeah. So, today on seeing the board, what you are thinking? What you are thinking by seeing the board? Yo, we forgot. Ma'am said I'll conduct ST. Am I right? You forgot? Yeah children. No, right? I know. My children will not forget. And they will remember also, ma'am, you should conduct ST today. Am I right, children? Yeah, I know. So before going to our session, before going to conduct ST, I'll ask one question. So, how many of you have prepared for the ST? So, tell me really, frankly, tell me that. Yeah, I know everyone has prepared for the ST. Am I right? So yesterday itself I said that what I said. So everyone should copy the question and answers. So everyone know very well, right? Take your white notes. So white notes, one white note for ST, science ST and social ST in one book. Am I right? So everyone take one white notes and sit. So I will tell the question and answers. I will dictate. You are not small kids. So if you are small kids means then I used to write on the board. You are small kids. If you tell that we are small kids ma'am means I will write on the board. You are? No, right? So that I will explain the question and answers to you people in this video. So what you have to write. So everyone copy the question and answers. Copy the question and answers. So yesterday how I said, so show it to your parents who are available near, who are with you. With you means who are available with you in that time. Okay, either it is a father or a mother. So show them the question and answers what you have written in the book, and after showing what you have to do, sit along with them. So wherever they are doing their works, so either they are in hall, either they are in the kitchen, sit along with them and write the answers. Okay children? So everyone, so before going to the ST topic, so yesterday what I said, just I will repeat it again, so that everyone can write your big part, right? So children, just I will tell the answers. I will not explain it again. Just I will tell the answers what you have written. Once check it whether it is correct or not. Okay, after that I will tell the question and answers what are there in the ST so that you can write by your own. Okay, so everyone, take out your page number 38. Take your the substances that turn blue litmus to red litmus are in dash nature. So acidic nature. Blue to red means acidic, red to blue means basic. Okay, so the substances that turn red litmus to blue means basic. The substances does not change the color of either blue to red. They are called neutral. Oxides of magnesium when dissolved in water form. So what is that? MgO plus H2O. Yesterday I have drawn and I have shown no MgOH twice. Okay. Methyl orange indicator gives red color with so citric acid, oxalic acid, carbon dioxide is also present in it. So all the above. Industrial waste gases contains sulfur by this what I said, acid rains also causes from this. So sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, nitric acid. So these three are all the above. Acids and bases on chemical combinations gives salts and water. Acids are in sour taste. Bases are is also on a sour taste. Which among the following does not have color? Hydrogen gas. So methyl orange gives red color with acids. Methyl orange gives yellow color with bases. Phenolphthalein indicator is colorless in acidic medium. So and pink color in basic medium. So many salt absorbs water from the atmosphere. This property is called as Tillotson. Tannic acid is present in tea. The gas present in soda water is CO2. Nature of CuSO4 is acidic. Among the following, the gas which gives POI sound with a burning splinter is H2, hydrogen gas. Milk of magnesia has basic nature. Out of these gases, which one of is used in fire extinguishers? CO2. And coming to the fill in the blanks, sulfuric acid is a king of acid. Malic acid is found in an apple. Acid contains replaceable of H plus ions. Bases contains replaceable of OH minus ions. Dash acid is used as a food preservatives. Acetic acid, CH3COOH. The gas which escapes out from many aerated soft drinks are called is, so which gas? Carbon dioxide gas. So which gas children? Yeah, carbon dioxide gas. So hydrated copper sulfate is commonly called blue vitriol. Dash is used in the dyeing industries. Plants. Ammonium chloride is an example of acidic salts. Acid plus metal gives rise to salt plus water. Vinegar is a sour taste. Sodium chloride is major salt of sea. Milk of magnesia changes red litmus to blue. Potassium nitrate used in fertilizer industry. So potassium nitrate is used in fertilizer industries. Okay. So up to here yesterday we discussed. In the tomorrow session we will discuss what we have to discuss, question and answers, and what you have to write in the CW, so that you can complete your CW. Again I will give 4 days to you people to complete your CW, so that you can complete your CW. So now it's time to conduct ST. Yeah children, so everyone, are you ready with your ST books? Are you ready? So which lesson we are going to conduct ST? Which lesson children? First lesson. So first lesson ST. So everyone take out your white notebook and everyone keep the heading Science ST. Science ST, and write the topic also on which we are conducting the ST. So first lesson we are conducting. What is the first lesson name? Food components. So and write the ST number. So which number? It is a 1. ST number 1. So everyone write the ST number 1. Okay. And in the first Roman, see here children, in the first Roman, answer the following. Okay. Answer the following questions. In this Roman, I will give 3 question and answers. So I will give 3 question and answers. So everyone should copy the 3 question and answers. So in the first Roman, what is that? 3 into 3, 9 marks. So how many marks? 9 marks. 9 marks. So 3 into 3, 9 marks. In the first Roman, I will give 3 question and answers. So I have to write for 3 marks. Okay. And in the second Roman, I will give bits. Okay, I will give bits. So I will give bits. So these are for 5 marks. So these are for 5 marks. I will give 5 blanks, so that you have to write the answers for 5 blanks. So these are for 5 marks. And in the third Roman, so again answer the following. So again it is a answer the following. So what again answer the following, ma'am? Yes, in the first Roman answers we have given. You may think, but this is for how many? This is for 5 marks. So this is for 5 marks. So one is for 5 marks, bits is for 5 marks. 5 plus 5, 10, and 9. 10 plus 9, 19 marks. ST is for how many marks, ma'am? ST is for 20 marks. So ST is for 20 marks. 1 mark for writing. 1 mark for writing. This time your parents should decide that what about your writing. So this time I will not give the marks. Am I right? Your parents only will give the marks, so that your parents will decide whether it is good or bad. Okay. This time the choice is for your parents. So everyone, take out your books. So the ST is on first lesson. Am I right? So I am giving the question and answers. First what? Answer the following question and answers. Am I right? First one. How is water useful to our body? So how water is essential to our body? It's a very easy question. So first, it is our first test. So that I'll give it how much easy it is. That much easy I'll give. So, and you have to score that many marks only. Okay, children. So what is that? How is water useful? How is water useful to our body? So how is water useful to our body? How is water useful to our body? This is the first one. Yeah, children. So, and in the next one, in the second question, I said I'll give easy one. Am I right? Okay. I will give for this time. Let me give some easy question answers. Why did the paper plate turns into translucent? So we have done the experiment for translucent, am I right? So why the paper is turning into the translucent? You have to give a brief notes. So what you have to write the experiment also? Just in a brief notes you have to write, and why it is becoming translucent. In the first how it is, in the second how it is. So that you have to write. So why did the paper plate turns translucent? Why did the paper plate turns translucent? And the third one, make a list of food items. Make a list of food items that contain all components of food. Make a list of food items that contain all components of food. Very, very easy. In the before only I have written 2 question and answers I have given from the questions which I have given already before, how I explained for the like an ST hard drive. The same I have given here, children. So how lucky you are and how good I am. Am I right, children? I am good or not? Yeah. So this is very, very easy, right? These 3 question and answers everyone can write. Am I right, children? So good. Very good, children we are. So everyone write these 3 question and answers. And so shall I repeat it again, the question and answers? Shall I? No need. Yeah, you can write, right? So make a list of food items that contains all components of food. And the first one is how water is essential to our body. And in the second one, what you have to write? Second one what I have given, children? So yeah, why this paper is translucent? Why it is translucent? Am I right? So these 3 you can write. So this is for 3 marks. 1 for 3 marks. So you have to write how many marks you will get for 3 marks. So everyone know very well for 3 marks how much you can have to write. So the next, coming to the fill in the blanks. In the fill in the blanks, yeah children, in the fill in the blanks, everyone, the first one, scurvy was discovered by dash. Scurvy, S-C-U-R-V-Y. S-C-U-R-V-Y. Scurvy was discovered by dash. Scurvy was discovered by dash. Okay, children? The second one, oil, ghee, butter are sources of dash. Oil, ghee, butter are sources of dash. Oil, ghee, butter are sources of dash. Yeah, children, completed. Third one, we need dash while sleeping. We need dash while sleeping. We need dash while sleeping. While sleeping, what you need? Okay, we need dash while sleeping. Food habits of people depend upon dash. Food habits of people depend upon dash. So any one you can write. If you know 3 or 4, how many you know? So any 1 or 2 you can write by your own. Okay, your wish you can write. Food habits of people depends upon dash. So how many I have given, children? I think 4. Food habits, oil, ghee, butter, and scurvy. Scurvy was discovered by dash, and we need dash. So I have given 4. And the last one, children, the last one, fiber contained in peels are outer layers. Fiber contained in peels are outer layers. So I will give the choices also in this. So digestion or indigestion. Fiber contained food will digest or indigest. So you have to write. I have given one clue also. So these are the 5 fill in the blanks. Last and foremost. So last one, answer the following. So last one is for 5 marks, no? So then I have to think. I have to think and I have to give this answer. Am I right? So the last one, children. Shall I give easy one or difficult one? So up to now we have given very easy one. No ma'am, this also give easy one so that we can score good marks. Yeah, okay. Yeah, children. Right one. Prepare khichdi. Prepare khichdi with your mother's help. Prepare khichdi with your mother's help using all kind of available vegetables, dals, nuts, etc. Write a note on the process of making khichdi. So very easy, no? So prepare means in the ST don't go near to your mother and prepare along with her. Right? So everyone know very well how to make a khichdi. Am I right? So everyone know what are the ingredients we will use. Okay? And which components. So in this, the main thing is which components. So for example, if it is a rice, so carbohydrates is present more, dal, minerals are present more. So like that, components, our lesson name itself the food components, right? So what I have to write? So ingredients you will write, no? You will write list out the ingredients, the name of the ingredients you will write. So along with the ingredients, so which component is present in that ingredient? So that also mention, and also write how many you want. For example, rice means 1 cup or dal means half a cup, like that. So write the procedure also. In the process also everyone know very well. In the before 6th class you have written, right? So what is the process of making so and so. So for example, if it is tomato curry or upma or French fries, so whatever it may be. So everyone has written, right? In the same way, write the process of making khichdi. So components you have to write, and also how much quantity you have to take, that also you have to write, and in the down process you have to write. So this is the end of your ST. So everyone now take your books and go along with your parents. So go means don't go outside. So where they are sitting, so where they are staying, so go along with them, sit along with them, complete ST and show to your parents. So if your parents are uneducated, so then if anyone is available in your house, show to them, or else correct by yourself. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. All the best. Write ST properly. Okay, in the tomorrow session I will ask how you wrote. Okay, and you have to post this in Campus Note app. So everyone know very well, right, how you have to post and all. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.